No.
Hello, my name is Andrea Diaz and I'll be going over the structures of the sheep brain. This is the sheep brain. This is the frontal lobe, parietal, temporal, and back here is the occipital lobe. The ridges of the brain are called the gyrus. The blue areas in between the ridges is called the sulcus. This division here is called the longitudinal fissure, which separates the brain into two halves, the right and left halves. Okay, so this is the cerebellum, which is the back of the brain. Then we have the pons, the medulla. This is the spinal cord here. Looking at the dorsal side of the brain, we have the olfactory bulbs, which are here, olfactory tract, the optic nerves, the optic chiasm, the cerebral peduncle, which is here near the midbrain. Then we have the pituitary gland, which is back in here. If you pull down the back of the brain, it would be in here. Okay, now looking at the cranial nerves, we have the ocular motor nerve, which would be in here. Then we have the trochlear nerve, which is right beside it in here. The trigeminal nerve, which would be a little above it. And the abducens, which is in this area also. Okay, looking at the dorsal side, the midbrain, the corpora quadrigemina is this section in here, which consists of superior colliculus, which is up here, and the inferior colliculus, which is under that. They're separated into left and right halves, both the superior and the inferior colliculus.
Go.
The pineal body will be right here.
Go.
Okay, now we're looking at the sagittal section of the brain. This would be the cerebrum. The corpus callosum is right in here. The fornix is also right in the middle of the corpus callosum. The lateral ventricle will be a little above that. The intermediate mass of thalamus is probably right down here in the way at the bottom. Then we have the pons, which is right here. The medulla oblongata here. Then we have the corpora quadrigemina, which is in this section here. Then the cerebellum with arbor vitae, which is in this section here. The arbor vitae is the white matter of the brain, which resembles tree branches. And what this does is bring sensory and motor information to and from the brain. The pineal body would be right in the middle, probably in this section here.